Tired of spending way too much time on your hair only to end up with frizz and damage? Here are the 5 best steam hair straighteners I've found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, the Wavy Talk Steam Hair Straightener, priced at $56.91. What caught my attention? The steam technology. If you want smoother, healthier hair while cutting down on styling time, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its hydro infusion technology, it transforms water into a fine mist that hydrates your hair while styling. This means fewer passes with the straightener, which not only saves time, but reduces heat damage. Imagine getting silky, frizz-free hair in just one glide. Plus, it has wide 1.38-inch nano titanium plates that heat evenly, making it a breeze to style thick or textured hair. With a 5 temp setting range from 300 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can easily find the perfect heat for your hair type. And it's already gained over 7,000 sales in the past month, proving it's a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the comb attachment snagging their hair. Here's the thing though, if you use it correctly, keeping the comb side down, it actually helps detangle. But if you prefer a sleeker pass, you can easily remove it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a quick and nourishing styling tool that works on all hair types. Skip this one if you're not a fan of using steam or want something more traditional. For the price, you're getting a lot of hair care benefits. Now, if that comb snagging issue bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, the Wavy Talk Pro Steam Straightener Brush, available for $67.17. What I noticed right away is its 3-in-1 functionality. If you want a quick solution that straightens, brushes, and nourishes, this one's a must-see. This innovative device uses hydro infusion technology to convert water into evenly heated vapor, which means you get instant hydration that keeps your hair shiny and frizz-free. It promises up to 101% more shine, 77% smoother strands, and 62% less frizz. That's pretty impressive. Plus, it heats up in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for those busy mornings when you need to style your hair fast. With a variety of settings, you can easily adjust for coarse or fine hair. And with over 2,000 sales recently, it's clearly making waves. However, some users mentioned the steam visibility being low, making it hard to tell if it's working. But honestly, the results speak for themselves, and you'll notice the difference in shine and smoothness even if you can't see the steam. This is ideal if you're in a rush and need an all-in-one solution for frizzy or coarse hair. Skip this if you prefer a dedicated flat iron without the steam feature. For the price, it's a fantastic multifunctional tool. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for product number 3, Wavy Talk Pro Steam Straightener Brush, pink. Another version of the Wavy Talk Pro Steam Straightener Brush. This one comes in a beautiful pink for the same price of $67.17. What caught my eye? The stylish color and consistent performance. If you want a chic look while achieving smooth hair, this is worth a glance. Just like its blue counterpart, this brush utilizes hydro infusion technology to combat frizz and enhance moisture. The results? A stunning 101% increase in shine, and it claims to make hair 77% smoother. It can also reach its optimal temperature in 30 seconds, giving you a quick styling experience in just 10 minutes. That's perfect for those hectic mornings or last-minute outings. Now, a few reviews mentioned that the steam output could be underwhelming, but here's the thing. Even with less visible steam, the nourishing effect is still significant. If you really focus on the results, you'll find it works wonders. This is perfect if you love unique styling tools that also hydrate your hair. Skip this if you dislike the idea of steam in your routine. Still, it offers excellent value for the price. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more professional, the next product is definitely worth your time. Product number 4, the BBless Pro Nano Titanium Prima, a professional-grade flat iron priced at $209.99.
What really stood out for me was its versatility as both a straightener and a curling iron. If you want salon quality results at home, this is a strong contender. The nano titanium plates are a game changer when it comes to heat transfer, allowing you to style effectively while reducing frizz. With 5 temperature settings up to 465 degrees Fahrenheit, you can easily customize it for your hair type. Plus, it's designed to work on all hair types, from straight to curly, making it a flexible styling tool. It's also gained over 1,000 sales this month, highlighting its popularity among stylists. However, a few users have pointed out that its higher price tag might not be justifiable for casual users. But here's my perspective. If you often style your hair, the investment in a high-quality tool pays off in durability and performance. This is an excellent choice if you want a professional styling tool that offers multifunctionality. Skip this if you rarely style your hair or prefer a more budget-friendly option. But for serious stylists and enthusiasts, it's worth every penny. Now let's wrap things up with one last option that combines quality and convenience.
Product number 5, Wavy Talk Pro Steam Straightener Brush in white, also priced at $67.17. What I love about this one is how it maintains the same performance with a fresh look. If you want a stylish tool that provides hydration while styling, this is a solid choice. Similar to the previous models, this steam brush uses advanced technology to turn water into nourishing vapor. This keeps your hair smooth and shiny, claiming up to 101% shinier results. Plus, it heats up in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for quick touch-ups or last-minute styling sessions. With over 600 sales recently, it's clearly gaining traction. Some reviews mention the design may not be as ergonomic as they'd like, but honestly, once you see the results and how well it styles your hair, you might overlook that small detail. This is great for anyone wanting a stylish, effective hair tool that hydrates while you style. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional straightener. For the price point, you're getting an excellent deal. Now, after reviewing all these fantastic options, so to quickly compare, the Wavy Talk Steam Hair Straightener offers great value with its steam technology, while both versions of the Wavy Talk Pro Steam Straightener brush shine in multifunctionality and hydration. The Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Prima is a pricier but versatile option for serious stylists, and the Wavy Talk Pro Steam Brush in white adds a stylish finish to effective performance.